Freedom of women. What is freedom of women? First, tell me, what do you mean when you say freedom of women? First of all, you must understand that the two are quite different from each other. They're different mentally, physically, emotionally, even their capabilities are different in many ways. If I will go to explain the difference in details, it will need a complete book. So, cutting short, in Islam there are general rules which apply to both men and women, and there are rules which apply to men only and women only. For details, check Quran and Hadith. Coming back to women freedom, Islam is the only religion which allows her complete freedom in all required area. Actually, it places her rights supersede the rights of men. 1. Women is free to enter and pray in masjid. 2. Women is free to ask for divorce from her husband. 3. Women are free to get all modern education. 4. They are even free to join war with her Muslim brothers if necessary. 5. They are free to learn the use of all modern equipment and machinery. 6. They are free to remarry after divorce or death of husband. What other freedom you are looking for? If you want women to become she-men, if you want women to roam naked in streets and market, if you want women to have free sex, then sure, Islam prohibits such things. Similar rules are for men. May Allah give guidance to everyone to understand Islam. Please share this post so the women may understand their position in Islam.